Next, we have substitution. Substitution is where you plug something into the other equation, see what you have. I'm going to start out with as basic as we can get with substitution. We have two equations technically. It's just that this first equation, all it has is y. We already have half of our solution. If you remember with graphing, we have ordered pairs as solutions. Ordered pairs are x then y. We have our y in this first one. We need to find x still. So what we do is we take what y equals, that -2, plug it in for the y in the second equation. And then simplify and solve for x. So we have 4x, this becomes +6 equals 18. After that, you work on getting x by itself. So we have 4x equals 12, divide by 4, x equals 3. So we have x equals 3, we have y equals -2. I prefer my answer as an ordered pair, 3, -2, and we're done. Now again, that's as simple as it gets with substitution when you already have one of the answers. Our second one, nothing crazy still, hopefully. We have one equation with one of the variables by itself. We have what x equals. What you're going to do is you're going to take that entire expression, 2y plus 11, plug it into the x in the second equation. So we go ahead and do that. We have 7, and then 2y plus 11 for x, since that's what x equals, plus 2y equals 13. We distribute. 14y plus 77 plus 2y equals 13. Clean things up, combine like terms, and then work on getting y by itself. Keep rolling, subtract. We get -64, and then y equals -4. There's half your solution. We have what y equals. Now we have to find x. Now, we take that solution and we plug it in to y where x is already by itself. That's the easiest case. Either equation works, but there's one that sticks out with substitution. It's this first one. Simplify. I don't need to see a lot of work on this one. Show whatever work you need to. But I get x equals 3. So it's 3, -4 is my ordered pair. And there's my solution. Last one, last variance that we'll see of this for now is neither equation has a variable by itself. There is one that sticks out to me, and that's this second equation, this y. It's already positive, it's already solo, so we just go ahead and subtract 5x from both sides. And we have what y equals. And then we just do what we did in the last problem. Take that -5x, plug it into y here. Now, be very careful because it's being subtracted. So we have minus the whole thing, -5x minus 21 equals -6. Distribute the negative. All that does is change the signs. Clean things up first is what I like to do. You can do it kind of whatever steps you want from here. Subtract 21. We get 9x equals -27. Divide by 9. X equals -3. We have half our solution. I'm going to take that solution. I'm going to plug it into the one I got by itself. That's where y is solo. Lots of negatives here, so be careful. Negative times a negative, we get a positive 15 minus 21, y equals negative 6. Our ordered pair is negative 3, negative 6, and there's our solution.